Hey, did you know you can bring the sleek Pixel device UI right to your Windows desktop? That's right, you can design your desktop to look like this, and even this. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, open your browser and search for MD3 Window. Click on the GitHub link that appears in the results. Once you're there, download and install the Rainmeter software on your device. After installation, run Rainmeter and check your taskbar to make sure it's running in the background. Now, let's install MD3. Go back to the GitHub page and download the latest release version of MD3. Once the file is downloaded, unzip it and open the folder. Inside, you'll find a file named MD3 Windows Room Skin. Double-click on it, select all the available options, and hit the Install button. Now, here's the cool part. The MD3 UI comes in two versions, one's paid, and the other is completely free. For this tutorial, I'll show you what the free version offers. There are tons of widgets to explore. You can pick any style that fits your vibe. If you don't like style and tap on Unlock Skin, and that's it. You've just transformed your Windows desktop with the Pixel UI. If you ever want to remove it, just uninstall the Rainmeter software. Enjoy customizing your desktop, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next video.